Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your gender from female to male on your account on Roblox, easy and quick. First click here, now click settings, and now click account information, and now here you will find this male icon here. Just click on it and it will be changed, and that's how to change your gender from female to male on your account on Roblox, easy and quick, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.